Good morning from the cabin. Not our cabin. My cousin's cabin. Say good morning, honey.
Good morning, honey.
It's a beautiful day out here, and we thought, what better time to reveal the one thing that we've been discussing for quite some time now, probably since Moab.
Yeah, the pin went into Moab.
The pin went into Moab, then we pulled the pin out.
Yeah.
So what better spot than to do it by the lake? And it is beautiful. Just let me show you what it's like here. I mean, it is fantastic. Is that not beautiful?
There's not a breath of wind today.
Look at that. There it is. That's our new to us side-by-side that we picked up. And we thought today we would kind of discuss the things that we wanted on our must-haves. And let me tell you something, this thing has got our must-haves and much more. I think we done really well. Or I should say, I think my son did really well researching this side-by-side for us. Like, he knocked it out of the park. Not only was it at our price point, but it was what we wanted with our options, plus a ton more. And this morning, we're going to kind of just do a little walk around of it. Yeah, and we'll go over some of the upgrades and mods that are on it. And it'll just blow you away. It blew me away. I mean, not you, but it blew me away. I was pretty impressed.
Our new toy.
So here it is. It's 2022 Can-Am Maverick X3 DS. It's not the highest horsepower, but it's more than enough for us. We've already had it out on a couple little rides, but kind of wanted the opportunity to do a walk around and show you guys what we got. And I will slowly try to go through all of the options it has. Like I said, I'm really impressed. So we'll kind of start around the back. First with the tires, we got upgraded 32-inch tires. And before I go too much further, suspension all redone by Shock Therapy. We got mud flaps or extended flares or whatever you call them, but they are a little busted up. I mean, you're going to get that kind of thing with a used side-by-side. We got lighted whips. Reverse lights are bright as, they're pretty damn bright. Not that we do a whole lot of nighttime driving, but if we did, we could light up the area. Rear bumper. We also got the Yoshimura exhaust. This sounds sick. I'm going to start this bad boy up, and you got to listen to this sound. And apparently I'm going to drop you on the ground. And when you're ripping, it really throttles up. 45-liter cargo tote. We didn't have the chase light when we bought it, but we installed that. Spare tire rack, which is also pretty cool. Took me like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks to figure out how this thing actually operates. I was like, the struts are gone. I know they are, but they're only assisting in the weight. Once you get it up, it locks with that yellow pin on the shock. Another upgrade we also did before was the noise reduction kit. I don't know if every Can-Am side-by-side is loud, but this one was pretty loud. I'll show you the decibel readings that we had when we took it out to one of our first rides. It was up around like 96 decibels, which was just too much. Anyway, moving along. We put some grab handles on for Missy because she didn't really know how to get out that well. There is 1 or 2 gripes we'll talk about. Got the rock guards, or I don't know what you call them, and the full doors. The full doors was a must on our list, along with the roof, which a cool surprise about the roof is it's also a stereo, 800 watts, and it's loud. We never thought we would be listening to the music while we were riding, but once we tried it, it was pretty awesome. Got the rear window that molds all around. 4-point harnesses. These ones are just the regular harnesses. They're not the retractable ones. We will upgrade those probably in the future. They're a little pricey for us right now, so we'll wait on that. And they're okay. They really keep you confined, so you can't really move around much, but that's all right. What else do we get while we're inside here? Oh, we got the iPad holder, which we don't have an iPad. I just use it for my phone for now. And rear view mirror, which is pretty helpful when I'm leaving my son in the dust. And the big one is this full glass windshield with the wiper kit. Also light bar. My son has the plexiglass or Lexan or whatever it is, and they only last like a year before they're scratched so badly you can't even see out of them. So we got this. We're really impressed with it. The only downfall was when Nathan was delivering it to us, he got a big rock chip, but I put that repair. I recorded that repair, so it worked out pretty good. You can barely notice it now. Coming around, we got the front bumper. These KC lights are pretty darn bright. And I will say we drove back from the cabin here. This is my cousin Steven's cabin. And it was dark and we put all the lights on and it's like we were driving in the daylight. It was pretty awesome. So yeah, this is it. That's our ride. What do y'all think? I'm sure I probably left out some options, but because it is loaded. When Nathan sent us the information and stuff on it, the seller actually sent the purchase sale and all of the upgrades that he's done to it. And the upgrades were as much as the cost of the side-by-side itself when it was brand new. So we lucked out there. And then there's a bunch of other options that he added to it after the fact. So there's all the options. We've got 2 gripes, maybe 3, 2, which is not bad for all the positives that we got out of this thing. The first one is not so much my gripe, it's Katie's. It's these seats. Although they're comfortable.
When you sit in them.
What were you thinking, Can-Am, when you put this big chunk of plastic on here? And when you're trying to get in here, you ram your thigh or butt on it.
Yeah.
And it hurts. It leaves a mark.
Sensitive skin people get bruises.
Yeah.
And what's our fix for my seat?
Oh, a little bit of that water pipe insulation stuff. Almost like a pool noodle. Stick it on there so it protects her tush.
And it works just fine after our first ride.
Yep.
So I'm comfortable. At least it's a temporary solution until we can upgrade the seats. I don't even know if that's an option.
My biggest gripe is these mirrors. Sure, they're great, but when you have the fender flares on, most of what you see is just this portion of the side-by-side. So now I'm noticing why so many people put the mirrors that are up here, installed up here higher. Mm-hmm. So you can see more of what's going on behind you, which makes a lot of sense. So these will probably get switched out. along with, because now that we have the holes here, I believe the door kit to open from the outside rather than using this little junky thing to pull the door handle open, I'll switch those to exterior door handles. I think for us, it was probably better off getting a used side-by-side, because the newer ones are just, they're priced through the roof, like almost as much as a used Jeep kind of thing. So, and it had everything we wanted on it and more. So can't wait to get out and do some ripping on this thing. Let us know what you think of the side-by-side that we got, the model, make, if it's something you guys like, and if the mods are kind of over the top. Like, I'm pretty happy with it. So I guess that's all that really matters, is that we're happy with it. It rides like a Cadillac with these shock therapy springs. And I'm not sure if he had the whole assembly sent away and resealed and everything, but just the springs alone make a huge difference.
We are super happy with this purchase, and our quads sold. We got pretty decent price for those. That's it. On to new adventures with our new Maverick, or new to us Maverick.
Yeah, which will be coming real soon.
Hey, if you like some of this content and you want to see more of our rides, please hit that like button and hit subscribe on our channel. It really helps us out, and we'll see you in another video.
Yeah, we're really on that rise to 1,000 subscribers, so help us out. We really appreciate you.
Just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the